Do you wanna know how to pass from this to this without knowing anything about 3D animation or 3D modeling and using only AI? Let's see the video. In this video, we are going to create a 3D character in Unity without knowing anything about 3D model or 3D animation, and we will use exclusively the AI tools free. First of all, we are going to create a 2D image. I don't know how to draw, so I am going to use artificial intelligence. In this case, we are going to use Bing Images. Just open Edge and then click on the Copilot button. If you have a Microsoft account, use that to log in. I am just signed in, so it opens this page. Here we are going to create a prompt, for example, a humanoid 3D cartoon character in T-pose. It is important that the character is in T-pose because it creates better animation. So let's do that. And facing front. Click OK. Now it is thinking and it is creating the images. And now it created some images. I like this image of this little robot and click download to save this model. Now we are going to Hyperhuman Rodin. This tool helps people giving in input a 2D image or a text, and it creates a 3D asset. Now we are going to see how to use it. Now just copy our 2D image into this text input and then click Generate. It creates a 3D image. It is a raw image. Now we are going to set some things. We can add some sentences to make the 3D asset better. We can just click on some of these tags, for example, to sharp edges or smooth edges or something like that. But I'm going to maintain the same things. And then I'm going to click on Confirm. Continue. It is symmetrical, so we are going to click Yes. And now it creates a better 3D asset. As you notice, it doesn't have any material, so we are going to generate the material. We entered an image with some colors, so we want that those colors will be on the asset. So just click Generate. Now we can see a preview of our character, and now click Confirm. Now we are going to click on Download. FBX is the extension that I prefer because it is compatible with Unity, so I'm going to click Download. Character is downloaded. We are going to unzip our folder, and as you can see, we have the base.fbx. Now let's go to Mixamo, that is a free tool by Adobe that help us to create some animation. We can click on Upload Character and then select the file FBX that we just created. Click Next, and then we are going to put every part of the body on our image, so the chin, wrists, elbows, and everything else. Try to be as precise as you can. Now click Next, and it is rigging, so it is creating the skeleton of our model. Now it is moving, as you can see, and it is very smooth. Click on Next. The good thing about Mixamo is that it provides to us a lot of different animation, hundreds of animations. So now let's just search for a walking animation, for example this one, and just select that and click in place in order to not move the character. as you can see, the character is moving perfectly. Now click download and then download. Now open Unity, click new project and create a new project. I will call it my project. Now we are going to import the walking.fbx that we just created, and then enter in the folder that was created by Rodin and just drag and drop the texture. Now select walking, rig, humanoid for animation type, and then click apply. Now go on animation, just rename as walking and click on loop time to make it looping. Apply. Now just drag and drop the model in the scene. If we click play now, it is not doing anything because the controller is not set. Just drag and drop the walking animation on the controller, and now click play, and as you can see, the character is walking correctly. Now drag and drop the texture on our model and click play, and our 3D character is ready to be used in our game. Just adjust the camera to let's see it better. So I hope this was useful. Thank you very much. Bye guys.